Hello everyone. Welcome to the session on customer onboarding. By the end of the session, you will be able to onboard Ujjwala customer, enter user ID and password to log in into the Sibyl application. The new Ujjwala customer onboarding framework comprises of a single sub-tab named Ujjwala Connection Summary under Contact tab. Instead of switching the screen, the distributor can now create the relationship ID and enter payment profile, contact identities, phone, email in a single screen. After completion, it will go to the installation sub-tab. Click on the order number. Delivery boy will be selected by default. If that is not the case, then select by clicking on the pick applet. Select delivery boy from the pick applet. Click on the OK button. To create the invoice against installation order, click on the Create Invoice button. After creating the invoice, Print Invoice button will get highlighted and order status will automatically get changed from open to invoiced. To confirm the delivery against installation order, change the invoice status from open to completed. A pop-up notification will come to confirm delivery. Click on the OK button to confirm. Press Ctrl+S to save the data. After saving the data, order status will get changed from invoiced to completed. Then click on the Print Invoice button to take out the print. Now to check whether the relationship is in active state or not, copy relationship ID and go to the Relationships tab. Click on the search icon and search the same relationship ID. Click on the Go icon. Here, the relationship status and relationship substatus are in active state. Click on the relationship ID. Check three main points: subsidy, loan flag, and inventory transaction. If the subsidy status is on start and hold, then subsidy will be given to the customer. If the subsidy status is stop, then customer will not get subsidy. To check subsidy, go to the Relationships tab. Click on the Adjustment sub-tab and check under Subsidy screen. In case of loan flag, if the loan is checked, then a loan entry will be created in the loan screen under Adjustment sub-tab. Entry is created in the subsidy screen. Go back to the Document sub-tab to check the inventory transactions. Click on the document number. Go to the Inventory Transactions sub-tab. All the transactions are present in the Inventory Transactions section. Thank you.